How to book the cheapest flights with Skyscanner. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can book the cheapest flights with Skyscanner. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to Skyscanner and then you'll be able to see an interface like this. So first you're gonna select from and then to, and after that you're gonna select your depart date. Click on depart and you'll be able to see two options. One is specific dates and the other is flexible dates. So if you don't have any specific date in mind, that is your schedule is flexible, click on flexible and it will simply, shortlist the dates that have the cheapest flight. So for example, you're going to click on December and after that you're going to click on return. Simply select any return date and after that you're going to click on search. And before that, you're going to select how many adults are there on board. And then you can simply select the adult and click on search. Once you click on search, you'll be able to see the calendar over here and you'll be able to see the flights. So here you can see the cheapest one with green color. So you can select the date that feels the cheapest to you. And then you're going to select the return ticket as well. Select return date and then click on find flights. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to another interface of cheap domestic flights. And here they're going to search for a while for the cheapest flight. And then you can see the best, the cheapest, and the fastest. Click on the cheapest over here and then you can simply select the flight that is most convenient for you regarding time and price. Once done, you're going to simply click on select and then you'll be taken over to another interface where you're going to select your flight. So here you can select whether you want with trip.com, kiwi.com, mytrip. Select the one that you want. For example, I'm going to go with trip.com. Click on select and you'll be taken over to trip.com in order to book the cheap flight. So that is basically how you can book the cheapest flights with Skyscanner. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.